Democracy, the system of government in which power is held by the people, is considered by many to be the best form of government. But is it suitable for every country and culture? First, it's important to note that democracy requires a certain level of education and infrastructure to function properly. In countries where a large portion of the population is illiterate or lacks access to basic services, it may be difficult for citizens to make informed decisions at the polls. Another factor to consider is a country's political history. In countries where there is a history of authoritarian rule, it may be difficult to establish a democratic system due to a lack of political culture and institutions. In addition, in countries with deep ethnic and religious divisions, democracy may not be suitable as it may lead to the rise of extremist groups and the suppression of minority rights. It's also important to remember that democracy is not a one-size-fits-all system, and it may not always be the best option for a country. In some cases, different form of government such as a hybrid or a different form of democracy may be more appropriate. It's also worth noting that democracy can be successful in some countries but not in others. This depends on the level of economic development, cultural and political stability. For example, a country with a strong economy and stable political system may be more successful with a democratic system of government compared to a country with a weak economy and unstable political system. So, democracy is a valuable and important system of government, but it's not always suitable for every country and culture. It's important to consider the unique circumstances and needs of each country before implementing or promoting democracy.